Oh snap, I didn't press it. Okay. What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. Show you how I beat my face when I beat it. What's she laughing at?
Oh my god, I'm weak.
Okay, so right now I just got some lashes on. I ain't taking these janks off of y'all because y'all tripping, bro. Take too much. Oh snap! Which way is my camera
Oh my
facing?
god, her phone just fell. How you recording a video to your phone fall?
Cause you laughing too hard. I can tell.
Because, bro.
Okay then.
I know, cause you messing my butt up.
Okay.
And I'm not redoing anything.
Okay, I hope this jank don't be too long. Okay, let me try to hurry up cause I ain't got no storage on my phone.
How you gonna hurry up and beat your face? It takes time.
Girl, no it don't because I'm bomb already. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today.
You really got me.
This is Wet n Wild. I don't know if you can see this. Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. And I don't know. Today I'm going to use this color for my eyebrows. I know y'all be using the little dip, but I'm not using the dip because I don't got that. I can't afford it. So I'm going to use some eyeshadow. So first thing I'm going to do is I got a little brush. This is an any brush. It's for your edges, but I use it for my eyebrows. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is brush them bad boys up. Brush them up. Brush them up. Watch I beat my face. So you're just gonna take not a lot, but cause this is very pigmented. Is that how you say it?
Why?
I think that's the word.
Why?
So you're gonna take it.
Why?
And you're gonna line.
Why?
Girl, your voice distracted me. The bottom of your eyebrow. Now my eyebrows is already kind of, who's that? My eyebrows is kind of already arched a little bit, so I got something to follow.
So that's what? So that's what?
See how I lined the bottom? Look at the difference. You could tell the difference how I lined the bottom. And then you line the top. You're just gonna do soft brush strokes. You don't want to brush it too hard. And like towards the end of your eyebrow, you want to make it darker than the rest. They're trying to make it look more natural.
I was on FaceTime with Christian. When you said that, we bust out laughing. That's why I kept laughing, because he kept laughing. He was like, hey, YouTube, and I was like, no way. We bust out laughing.
I'm going to blend.
If I want FaceTime with him, maybe I would have.
Do my eyebrows look different?
You hear me?
You said what?
If I want FaceTime with him, I would have let you did it.
Did what?
Not like that.
Too late, ho.
I know, maybe he's a mom.
Can't get beat by a real hoe. Okay, so you see how this eyebrow look?
Like, what I said in front of her.
That's a natural eyebrow. That's a beat eyebrow. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other one. Bro, I'm 4 minutes in already. I know they be speeding their little videos up. Dang. See, cause the light ain't on this side, bro. Don't tell me to cut it out.
Hey, YouTube.
Bro, you just... I'm not even gonna say that.
Hey, YouTube.
One feel this one a little darker.
You are not playing.
Are you saying, Bambi, I took your words, boo? Okay, so now that I done did. So, what the hell? Okay, let me make sure they're just a little bit more blended. Okay, so then I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Dream Fresh BB BB 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Perfector. This is pretty much a, I use this as a contour.
Kira.
I mean, not contour. How you call it? Concealer.
You talking like you gonna post it. Shut up.
I am. And you interrupted my video with your ghetto tail. So I just put a little dab. Oh, this color is Deep Sheer Tint. Because you got to get deep on these toes. Okay, let me stand up for this so y'all can see a little bit better. So then I'm just going to take the same brush that I used to fill my eyebrows in, the angle brush. Oh yeah, these brushes are from Eco Tools, and it's the this is my first video. My lips dry. Okay, so this is Eco Tools. Okay. Angle brush. I'm just going to dip a little bit. Then you're going to line under.
Kira, Jasmine said, Kira, I wish you could come here having 25 deals. I mean, $25 deals.
$25 deals where?
What are these? Ugly ass tattoos.
Girl, I ain't got the money right now. I got more important stuff to do.
You got $25.
I do got $25, but not to spend on no tat. Not to spend on no tit. Bro, I can't really see because it's light. There you go to blend. I'm gonna look in the mirror because I can't really see in this camera. Whew. I'm going to. Let me back up a little bit so y'all can see me while I'm doing this. So you're just going to blend it with your skin. This makeup tutorial is going to be called How a Real Hoe Do It.
Shakira, stop playing, bro. For real. You already.
Look at some eyebrows, baby. I need to make them look a little bit more natural though. On the right here. So I'm just gonna brush a little bit of the eyeshadow off on the front.
Everybody was like, y'all must got a fat butt drag.
Ooh, that was nasty. Okay. Okay, then next thing I'm gonna do, bro. This video 8 minutes long, bro. Then what I'm gonna do is take the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. Can you see? It's a little dusty because it be in my little dusty makeup bag. Okay. So you're gonna dot a little bit of that there because what I do like a little natural face look. I don't put this shit all over my face, bro. I already got some popping melanin kind of breaking out. Ugh, that's ugly, bro. I don't know why I just did that. Oh. Okay, then I'm gonna take this little brush right here. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but this is from, I think that's from Eco Tools too. Dang, mom, she over here getting me all the little Eco Tools stuff. Okay. Okay. Just gonna dab a little bit. Like they saying, I'm gonna put some down the bridge of your nose. Like like that. Then you're gonna take some, put it. What the hell going on with that thing? Then you're gonna take some, put it directly under your bottom eyelid, just a little line. This is how I do my natural looking makeup. See, hoes never want to see you make it out here. They don't. Then, girl, boo. Nah, under your eye, baby. Sometimes I do the little triangle thing.
In a few years, I'm starting like that.
But today I'm not gonna do that because I'm just playing around.
Be YouTube famous.
Then you do the little tree on your forehead. Then, girl, you about to be looking like an Indian.
I'm gonna be doing challenges. I'm gonna be doing
Cover your chin.
pranks. I'm gonna be doing.
And that's it. You just put them in that spot. So you put it on the bridge of your nose, under your eyes, on your little forehead, on your chin. Got that on my finger. So then I got a blender. How about to say this holder stole my blender? How about to fuck that bitch up? Okay, your blender is not supposed to be this dirty, bro. I ain't clean it in a minute because. Oh yeah, dang. Okay, so then, so it's blender. I gotta edit a lot of parts out because we did a lot of cussing. Trying to be a Christian. So then you're gonna take this blender. Your blender should really be real clean. Like you should clean that thing like every day. It should be wet. Like a Leah J say, baby. Listen to you, girl. Okay. So you just going to beat that face, girl. Beat it. Sorry. Oh, my teeth look nice. You're just gonna beat. You do not wipe. You beat. Pound it. Ooh. How my chin look. And I'm gonna do the same thing under them eyes. I kind of bring it down a little bit. What? But this video about to be hella long. Same thing on this side.
Girl, I done posted the thing and said when your mama know your ass.
When your mama what?
Know your ass. Heard the neighbors when they was doing something.
Girl. My little tink. Garland. My Tay-Tay. He ain't Trey, he Tay-Tay. Damn. Don't you know? Girl, yes, I call him Tay-Tay.
I don't know be bad when you get older. I think I heard walk.
Y'all see my face looking kind of makeup and shit. Woo, girl. I might as well put this all over my hair. Cause you can really see this jank. Oh, I didn't even blend my nose for real. Looking at the freaking camera, I need to be looking in the mirror. This video already 13 minutes. Okay. Looking a little dusty right now. But I'm gonna bring myself to life. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, my eyes, you can tell. That's why I didn't put none of that. I ain't putting none right here. You can tell. You can tell the places I ain't put it at right. Okay, so then after you do all this little stuff, you're gonna take that same brush you used to wipe your little foundation on. Your foundation and stuff. Which I kind of use this as a concealer too, because I think it's all the spots you put concealer in. I ain't no makeup artist expert. Then I got this little palette. I'm about to get mad to get all of my clothes. It's called Kiss the New York Professional Contour Kit. All my stuff look ugly for real, cause it just all be in the same dusty makeup bag, and then this stuff always getting everywhere, as you can see. So then I'm going to take this last color. I don't know what it's called, but it's the darkest one, cause this is really light, kinda. And I'm going.